Hello everyone, my name is Alexa and I'm an entrepreneur and a mother, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can create an online business from the comfort of your own home. But before I continue, if you want to get amazing videos on how to build an online business or make money online, click that subscription button right now so that you can get updates. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to dig right in. So due to the global pandemic that we're in, I hope you know we're in one, a home-based business is not just a wish or an option these days anymore. It's actually a necessity. Now, some people are going to come out of this pandemic as millionaires. Some already have because they saw the opportunity that lies in front of us, while others are wasting their time not doing anything productive, missing the huge opportunity to build an online business. Now, if you are watching this video and you are determined to take action, then you are already separating yourself from all the other lazy people that are not taking this opportunity out there, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 main tips on how you can start an online business from the comfort of your own home. Now, I'm not just copying and pasting somebody else's blogs. This is actually businesses that I have started myself. I've made millions of dollars off them and I'm still making money on them. So the first opportunity I want to share with you is sell your services and expertise. Just do it online. So in this pandemic, everyone is working from home. Teachers are teaching students on Zoom. People are buying products left and right. People are buying online courses like crazy, right? So you're probably wondering, how do they do that, right? So let me help you understand. The idea is sell your service and expertise online. For example, if you are a good copywriter and content writer working for a company, you can literally target anyone you want on the internet that needs content. So you can sell your services on the internet. You can get clients from freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork. You can get clients through social media like Instagram, Facebook, blogging, etc. And the best part is you don't even need a website to sell your services at all. All you need is to build your portfolio and start working, and you can make a ton of money. So to scale in the future, you can eventually build a sales funnel, hire people under you, and then scale to 5, 6, 7 figures. If you don't know how to get sales through social media, don't worry, wait till the end of this video. But you can literally start right now making side money right now. Opportunity 2, productize your expertise. Now, what's the difference between the first idea and the second idea? So the main difference in the first idea, you're making income and earning from actually doing the service. So you're a copywriter, you write a blog, you make money, right? Where this idea, which is genius, is you actually scale your expertise so that you are making passive income. Wow, Alexa, that sounds amazing. I know, because it really is amazing. This is my favorite idea. Productization means make your product or service in a way that people can DIY it, do it themselves. For example, go back to being a copywriter, right? You can literally create a course, learn copywriting in 10 days. It's a 10-day course where people can take it, or you could build a mastermind of a bunch of professionals that you charge and do master classes weekly with the group, and boom, now you're selling your course online to all these people, making a ton of money in a mass way, right? So you can sell on Coursera and all those courses, but what I found is social media is really the best way to do it. So opportunity number 3, grow an audience, a real audience, and monetize it. So I think this is probably one of the most common things people try to do, but the problem is people do it wrong. You can't just expect to grow your audience and boom, you're making money. That's not how it works. So you can grow your audience on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc., but growing your audience doesn't mean that you're automatically going to have dollar signs after. Some people just buy fake audiences and they think that they can make all the money in the world, but unfortunately that is not the case. You need to actually build an audience because your followers and subscribers are actually your future customers. So as you grow your account, you can actually sell your follower base and your community that you've built for a fee to other creators that want to advertise on your account. And the ways that you can make money with this is so endless. Think about this. You have ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing. You can sell your own product. You can sell shout outs, etc. This is such a great way to make money if you do it right. Opportunity 4, e-commerce and drop shipping. Now, this is probably the most legit way to make passive income from home is through e-commerce, but you can't just put everything or anything up online. You have to have a proper business model. So in this method, you can sell your own physical products online, or what you can also do is you can buy products from a wholesaler and sell it with your brand label. That's another option. So to jumpstart it, you need some investment, and it's not as easy as it sounds, but once you get a handle on it, it is actually pretty easy. So this opportunity, though, does require the most upfront money and effort, but it also can be the biggest potential money maker. So no risk, no reward, right? So you do need a product website, Facebook ad manager, and you also do need money. But don't worry, if you don't know how to make a website or put it out on Facebook, you can hire plenty of freelancers to actually help you with this. And the easiest way is to use Fiverr, one of those websites. So those were the 4 main tips of business. You can start from home. You can literally make hundreds of business ideas just from those 4 tips that I gave you. But here's the thing, if you don't know how to find clients on social media, you gotta learn it, because that is a key piece to surviving any online business. So feel free to check out my masterclass, Passion to CEO. All my social media links are down below, and you can see the description in the video for the link. So for free tips, you can join my free Facebook group. I'll see you in the next video. And if you want to see me again, click the subscription button in my channel, Marketing by Modification. Till then, stay at home and stay safe. Goodbye.